Assalamu alaikum. How are you, grade 6? Good afternoon. Today our topic is grammar. Today we are going to study modal verbs. Modal verbs are the verbs that we use for different purposes. We have here three categories for the modal verbs. One is advice. When you give someone an advice like you should drink more water when it is hot, so we use the word should for advice. Sometimes we use the word shouldn't for advice, like you shouldn't go out when it is very hot. You should wear light clothes when it is hot. Actually, all these examples coming because of the coming weather. We can make more. You should not speak when the teacher is speaking. The second category we have is the rules. The rules have no options. Like in advice, we can say if someone advises you to be uh, respectful to others, if someone advises you you shouldn't read in the light, in the dark places, you should have proper light. The other type is you have here option to say no or yes to someone advice. When someone advises you, you have both option to do it or not to do it. But in rules, we don't have the option to say no. Therefore, we use here must. When we talk about rules, we use here must or must not. Must or must not are the things that are used for the rule. Like if we talk about traffic, we say that you must stop at the red signal. You must use zebra crossing. When we talk about the rules, we say you must not cross the red signal. You must not drive when the signal is on. You must not use your phone when you are driving, because this is a rule. The third category is when you go for a picnic and something is necessary to bring, or in other situation also, when something is necessary, we use the word have to. For example, if we are going to a picnic, we say you have to bring food, you have to bring your drinks. Sometimes we say you don't have to. Sometimes some things which is not necessary, we say we don't have to. Now I will be sending you some audios on the book, and please complete page 87. The last exercise number 4. There are two pictures given. One is trip to the desert and the other is trip to the zoo. You have to make for each picture 4 sentences on the notebook and send me in the Google Classroom. That is all for today. Inshallah, I hope that you understand the topic. Please go through the audio which I will send you on page 87, exercise number 1, to read the rules, and exercise 3, circle the sentences wherever you feel that this is a rule, you should use must or must not. When this is advice, you should use should or should not. While we are talking something necessary, but this is not a rule, you say have to or don't have to. So in exercise number 3, you will have to use these situations, and exercise number 4, you will have to write each picture 4 sentences. I will be waiting for the pictures. When you are done with exercise number 4, please do it on a notebook and send me the pictures. Thank you so much. See you all. Stay blessed. Stay safe.